Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, January 6th. Well, how did this week finish up? As we talked about in the advanced video, we had some fundamental factors that came into play in the stock market. If you haven't seen these videos before, these are daily charts. These are swing trades is the concept. And the green line represents a buy level, red line represents a sell level, dash line means it's something that happened earlier in the week. If you go to dangramza.com, you can go back 10 years in these videos, and you can see how these lines change over time. Now, let's talk about what's happening here in the S&P. For example, the difference from this sell level down to that buy level, that dollar difference here in the S&P was $3,100 a contract. Don't look for a dramatic move up in the market on Monday. In the NASDAQ market, this dollar difference there, just again to give you a reference, is, get the right number, $5,920 a contract. Over in the Dow, not as strong as move as we've seen in the other indices. That dollar difference in that market is $1,125 a contract. Now, if we take a look at the small caps, the mid caps, those stocks, well, the dollar difference between the buy and sell level in that marketplace was $550 a contract. Be careful here. These are approaching levels where we found sellers before. Just the opposite here. The euro softened a bit. So it should say the dollar softened a bit, and we're seeing the euro firming a bit. I don't look for dramatic follow through in that market. But Mr. Yen, the dollar difference between the sell and buy level in that market, just to give you a reference there, that's $1,362.50. So follow through, look for a sideways move in that market. Aussie dollar, the break between that sell level down here to this buy level, that's $1,160 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. Let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin, trying to grind its way higher. Nothing telling us to be a seller, but be careful at this range for that market. Feel the same way about bonds. Look for a sideways move in this market. Yields continue to get stronger, and that's why these prices are down in that market. Now, gold, on the other hand, we've seen a few different things happening in that market. Let's get this up here. There we go. Dollar difference between that sell and buy level is $500 a contract. Now, between this sell level here and that buy level, that's $2,000 a contract. It does imply a down day, but look for an inside day in that market. Silver also implies that we've gotten high enough to find sellers in that market. The dollar difference from the buy to sell level there is $2,750 a contract. Do we look for follow through to the upside? No, not at this point. Looking for a down day. Copper, I still think fundamental pieces are missing here in copper. On Friday, it traded above its buy level. That dollar difference, $750 a contract. Be cautious here. I'm not looking for a big day up in that market. I feel the same way about crude oil. We have the dollar actually cooling off a bit. We also have weather conditions that are putting demands on that market. We see that in nat gas. Globally, things are changing as we went through in the advanced video. The dollar difference from the buy to sell level there is $1,100 a contract. In soybeans on Friday broke lower as the U.S. dollar gets stronger overall. Our export sales have been down, and we're seeing some pressure here on the ags. A dollar difference between the buy and sell level, $1,550 a contract. Same thing here for corn. It also traded below its sell level. $650 is the dollar difference there. And in Mr. Wheat, let me blow that up a little bit. Difference from this buy level to that sell level is $350 a contract. And again, these are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas that I'd like to share with you. Well, look forward to being with you again. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Have a terrific weekend and take care.